to say?
Oh, Nyamiadum, maybe I fine.
Okay. Means you have an insem na if ya. Yamra share two teams are Nyamiadum almost over Repigana. Our African mediama and our Nation Sepsino.
Oh, was I me tekote tech me back a me fa inside tech campus. Na me just fatulo anopebia on time fa pajo ho. Enti obetimi atwan mfo nyini na ewo sisi ya kyerɛw. But ontimi fan compare a normal day at Pajo. Protocol must start training no onyen enyen. But rich uchomu na you could see something is happening. And go for papa. And go for pack even your trot drivers bia.
Omo kra pack ya.
Omo pack omo cars omo nya adwuma omo air share game ni bi from baby omo gina no. Car park na wo adjacent Pajo ho na yema.
Okay.
And the walk park na nkasa nchen ho no a ho na ye bus stop ho nchen anyam e ho so ayema go fa park omo cars or taxis ne Uber ne omo nyina park ho a dodo na e hwe game de binti oduru ope no sa wo obi a ota fa wa bo se
clear no oduru an wo se
BBC e ho no na kotoko bus no so e wo the main bus stop nti kotoko ho dom no apie mu campus wa papa pay and then common getting bi na wo and common getting the kai rich wa observe it with worry say ana wo busa ho say e dey na to Newcastle because yet say Saudi owners ababeso bobo ko ni mu no na yenim sika Saudi Arabia for wo no na yenim say Newcastle is going to be the next Manchester City and even more because Saudi for no was catching Abu Dhabi for now mukuta Manchester City no. But Rich, I think say the difference the timing of investors in the ban. Man City time, no? Yes, not there were financial rules, but not any as strict as the Nedi and Aquacoyeno.
I don't want to talk to players be
even with sad time in Impocrano, look at the charges our Man City have to stand for businesses on my year and how my build on team about do some way. Bare 2 seasons in here, Rich. Anytime you read about Newcastle Biano, they are facing potential financial fair play, sustainability rules. Way. And they are investing more than club nankasa revenue and as income onya. And so what you chena and that's now say Saudi for no more only Newcastle no we escafo. Na eba ne say na afi even omo best players omo buy omo kire say escafo abeto no omo lose ya. Eto be a transfer window no. And Chelsea wom doing the recruitment in a go beyond the sporting discussions na ya no. Bebrena financially induced and eka because of the profitability, sustainability, financial fair play no. Newcastle for that is the reason why they are selling good players. No. Number 2, Rich, may you feeling be say player be or be joining Newcastle with the expectation say we are joining the new Man City, no, and we say no, forget now where I am far. That is the reason why Ubeti say Bruno Guimarães, Sandro Tonelli, Coach Eddie Howe, omu nyina express omu desire to the club. See free ako.
Already omu lose Anthony Gordon so.
Omu ankasa na ko. For instance, Eddie Howe was supposed to be the coach for the project. Say who read the articles at Sky for Nature. And you Newcastle ne pamu Eddie Howe. Eddie Howe said, obeso oko okan e krache but they were like o de nyantobo asiema ye no obekasa o de ope me emnya obi a oba be replace ku ansana yamwako eno no mkofa Matthias Giselle efi Ahilal ba ya omo say okay afi enya replacement now we can announce say oko player be say Anthony Gordon basa ba ya wa money ni ba kumpo he says he's gone. Look at player be say Sandro Tonelli Tottenham buy 100 million si o meko ono so ko Bruno Guimarães Emma Obiari is the captain of the Newcastle team. Rich wako World Cup aba wa joining team no pre-season was Spain eho and all catch Newcastle for ne say me agent a catch me say Arsenal ese o mo peme me desire ne say munya me na me nko Arsenal because ochene ni a e di how ni coach ko Sandro Tonelli oni ni bon fifi hoko Anthony Gordon omo mu pace a oyo omo star boy ono so ko nti alternate team nim under which ambition it seems say team ni ya jatum say eno mu ejigu
the referee is akrao
is akrao last star boy ko now Rich the other side and confirm aginin ko ho ne say during this transfer window so who World Cup no okay Johan Mazambi Switzerland young guy be an Rasta black one of the best young players on the World Cup will be Rich ni World Cup performance no Emma a lot of suitors corner including Newcastle ko ya abante so de me ko ba Aston Villa one combo team no uko Spain one of the best young wingers na class be say Barcelona Real Madrid etare no ho even at a point na abante Nico Willian and one tonu gidi for the World Cup no na a lot of Spanish football connoisseurs a gidi say Victor Munoz and a bebo baby Alex Baena ebe boy no because he's one exciting winger in the Spanish La Liga. Onu so Newcastle koye I see they make Liverpool. And see, Newcastle have lost their coach. They are losing their key players. And even crank or moko for my bar potentially and come to Baba team in my strengthening team no crown. Where dodge. Something is really happening to Newcastle. Now, who said Guimarães Efri Leon eba in 2022. Rich Obobo 1 year pet in October 2023. And then Newcastle said no, Akwawi. I was say secure on a long term. And I'm going to sign a 5-year contract. In some 5-year contract, I'm going to sign in October 2023. No, there was a release clause of £100 million, and I'm not ashamed. The problem for Newcastle, and I say, Rich, some £100 million release clause no, now expire in June 2024. What it means is that after Bruno Guimarães a movie from Lyon 2022 no, only one season pay on Newcastle no, that was when Newcastle thought there will be huge suitors for him. But Rich, time and also the say Newcastle or new owners no are there to build an empire. Obiamba. Until June 2024, the $100 million release clause and expire no. Abante has stayed on. And now I say I can 2 years on his contract. They are getting 75 million. And they say Arsenal they acquire or my sanction says 75 million. Okay. No add-ons. 75 flats. Variables Bianca home. Arsenal are getting their guy. Newcastle let it go. Guimarães. Rich. There are some few things Abrantes added to Arsenal team. No? One, leadership. For years, Kakada Odi Newcastle, no? He rose to become the captain of the side. Into a Chelsea leadership. Again, say, oh, share Newcastle games. Oh, place or me vocal park in the sopa. Or Kasa Tia Mumunye say, Yanko. Abrantiana and ne traits or the beko Arsenal. Se uye no free wa rich obi o ta Premier League ni bia ebedia dance se open midfielders a omunim ball ni kuta omunim ball ni pass na omunim ball ni ball overall there is no way I'll be Abrante Fene Bruno Guimarães free mu. Nti Arsenal are getting a very very good player who has leadership to the squad no more than that. Arsenal no. And again, which are the intent of what Arsenal want to do? Makacha say, Rich, to dominate the Premier League, Pep has given the template to do it. Build a very good squad. Give them winning mentality. Semunya do top wa. Send you be maintain top one. Keep on adding quality. Add. Say obi chira usubembi as one main. Again, one main that maninko. Never be our side top besem and keep the momentum of a common team to achieve more. Keep it. Now, imagine Bruno Guimarães walks into the Arsenal dressing room. Rich, on Premier League debut. Last season, the Omoji no 1 GB. And also as the leader in the way of he will tell the rest of the guys say, last season, Mumu be bridge. Chale mesuma banafina mesuma beji medio. Ente mumu wameni yenye. Ente you are bringing in not just peripheral players. You are bringing in players. They must compete. And onono ekomune ede nintino. Ne competition no ebe can obia or ya around him say, oh look, the way Bruno mani abreno. Yenti be slaggy because yeah jedi. And I'm telling you, from what Mikel Arteta learned from Pep, Rich, a free necro. Every player bia will be show say ono de e common nini bia mu no o will be do snama no amano etimi akọ so 75 Arsenal edge and we are me point am coffee. I think I had 1 or 2 meetings be or town nti me do fie be say we are be say 2 o'clock nti me fa my phone before I see from my car and I mean who said one journalist in Navarro I posted a video of Deco where Pierre free arrival at Madrid airport with Jao Amara. I'm saying, now the boy can catch away because Kadils be said here, I am not on or tiny Deco etukan. Minim Jao Amara on no or scouts for Barcelona reserve side no on yet or directory to but on yet some na or send them into meetings when Barcelona a first team player. Rich Anna Navarro say oh Deco Edru Madrid to go and negotiate for Abrante Fene Alvarez. Then later Mundo mobile story explaining say ene Wednesday Deco ko enra ene Wednesday no our meeting with Fernando Hidalgo. Our William Alvarez or any agents, and meeting no agenda is already out. Say a crime bear no faswa progressive with Alvarez a deal no. Now the ama deal way and want some kind of ABB or when say Rich the Atletico Madrid was almost stands AAB and they've made it known. Abrante and Tono.
The contract is the
contract 2030.
Too much.
Every woman, that's how Abrante or my age. It's the contract at the Atletico Madrid that Bem say boom. And the release clause now is a contract in Musuno. It's any reasonable say Barcelona will take that money and say, yeah, Kwakutia. And one, yeah, and Tom player. Samotona. Mobile negotiation table near being the contract nature say 2030. You know, say we are in the driving seats. And see, we will sell the player to you on our terms. Look, forget about William Alvarez. Onenam and some worker say, oh, maybe some call before from me pay new challenge, me pay saying. Forget about those things. Say, I'm pass up a it is either on home free contract in Munongo. And as a so first you test about it is either they are coming to trigger the release clause and they are crying mem. But some more buy a hope for negotiation there. Munye ready say a boy ye pe and a mobitia. And Matisse Deco eka HSF for say omunim say deal no very difficult to get it done, but they are counting on player nankasa mu ni agents anyhow softer ebia over time no team ya friend Atletico Madrid ebe change your stance to make this deal possible. Rich, it is one of those deals said Deco to me pulling the offer. Evertoni CV so I said grower in a sad sporting director role no pa it's very very difficult to do by young where the way a normal ABC akọ nti Deco so be meeting na area e dey oria obaba ma dey mobile na ye be hu awa na man you still na the mujana
yes om person ton sexy
na mo de ko fa
no dey nyama eno na branch we abetro say ono according to ono sources o te Ghana o sources
o ko fo your sources
ono ne sources just ye ton sexy near this can be also so abeto the lap around the mu yetimi gra
Liam the lap
na yo Obama sexy akono udisika ye den afso no so akoto the lap na the lap mo a Chelsea from Campeno
and me family platform jam was there in and I mean who say one of your good friends Gerard stand Chelsea fan or the story now Chelsea HC Pedro Neto Ebeto and I watch and say Enzo Maresca a traitor na me see hey na football mu dey say no one yen kan o
we coach and
I walk the baby and he's now looking to build a very very good team and the players are GD or no ma ye adwuma da onim de o matimi di ama no he is losing Savinho say no cross over Tottenham and he is losing one or two key players bu on the team mu and he want to build up that team no and ka wa mo no ko be ko nyom mo onim mo say adwuma no ma ye da o matimi aboa no but
we don't onye treat ya
but the warning you gave to Joshua is true, which in the last 2-3 seasons I'm not a Chelsea fan, but watching Chelsea, one of their best players, if not the best.
Not to the woman learn to go say. It's a very bad decision.
To do whatever it takes to protect say.
Very bad decision.
Xabi Alonso fan in NC for. Neto, he's one of the best players. Chelsea
MFC na yemehwe two clubs are represent Ghana. Africa in